Gosh, this is Stephanie with Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a true architectural shingle. So just wanted to bring you up so you can see what you got going on. So the first thing I noticed as it came up is that you had some granule loss along your shingles. You can see the asphalt is starting to show through. So kind of wanted to see what was going on. I mean, it's a sign of aging whenever the shingles are just getting too hot or older, and then the granules start to come off. Those granules are actually what keep the shingles waterproof. Once those come away, the asphalt underneath starts to crack and break, exposing the fiberglass. Just makes it easier for water to get in. Also, it can be an indicator of wind damage or hail damage. And so I took a look at your soft metals. Let's take a look over here. It does appear as though you've had some smaller impacts. You can see where the hail has just come through and just dinged up your soft metals or your exhaust stack. And so I wanted to take a look to see what was going on with your shingles. Sure enough, you've got some impact points. When something comes and impacts the shingles, it actually pushes the granules into the asphalt, loosening up the surrounding granules. And so as the wind and the rain continue to come through, it just starts to take those granules away little by little, leaving a nice clear impact point. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 just in this little 10 by 10 square area, which is industry standard test square. But you called us out for a reason. You have leaks. Okay, so found the culprit. Your neoprene pipe boots, these suckers only last about 10 years, and then after a while the sun bakes them and then they start to look like this. We can replace the entire thing, or there's caps that we can put on them, rubber seals, so they go all the way around and then just fits right over. I would suggest putting them on all 3 of your pipe boots, because otherwise they'll just start to look like this and the wind just calls right back out. Also, you've got exposed nail heads. Those nails actually penetrate all the way into your attic space, so leaving those exposed, you can already tell they're oxidizing as they're rusting. And so any water that gets back in and behind these nail heads actually has access to the home, so we'll want to caulk that up while we're out here. And then, this is the fun part, right? So, the leak in your garage. The leak in your garage is coming from this area. Yeah, here we go. So, this little spot right here, it's super soft. You can pretty much kind of just put to give you an idea as to how deep inset that is. What I'm guessing is that it's coming in through here, just kind of following it down, being able to get into wherever is convenient for it to move. Problem with it is that we can't just take that small section up, right? Because you've got these 2 valleys that come in. Valleys are the more vulnerable areas on your roof because it's where your decking comes together. And so disturbing those areas can lead to additional leaks up and down the valleys. So what I would suggest is that we take out the better part of this. A couple of reasons. A, this section is flat. Should never have been shingled to begin with. Because, as I mentioned before, shingles are not inherently waterproof. It's the pitch of the slope that allows the water to move quickly. So because this area is flat, what you need to do is put a modified roofing down so that it's flat roof, self-adhesive, adheres to the decking underneath, and that way no water can get back in and behind it, and then all of your water will move in the right direction, get off the roof and not into the house. So yeah. Okay, so I'll be down in just a minute so I can help you avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage.